she asked me, do you feel alright? I will pick her up from the garden to be mine. Good day guys, Settle again and welcome to our channel. By the way, before anything else, shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you very much guys for all of your support. If it is not for you, I would not be reaching the minimum requirement of the YouTube for monetization purposes. By the way, for first timers in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe, like, click the bell button, and comment. Today our topic is about crepes. There are two kinds of crepes, the dessert crepes and the savory crepes. But today we'll be making a dessert crepes. For the first part, we will first make the crepes. And after the crepes, we will make the mango sauce that we will use for our dessert. And then we will make the filling of the crepes. So we'll be making a custard cream or a patisserie cream. And for the last part, we will assemble our dessert. And our dessert for today is Crepes Mango. So, without further ado, let us start. Our ingredients for our crepes batter: 1/2 cup milk and 1/2 cup water, 3 pieces whole eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, all-purpose flour 1 cup, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. To make the crepes, we just have to put everything in our bowl. Okay. Vanilla, and then our all-purpose flour. Now we'll just have to beat this to make our crepes batter. Then our butter. So this is our crepes batter. And then okay. So that when it's cooked, there is nuts. We'll just cover this and then let it rest. Then we'll start to work on it tomorrow. After 2 hours, we have to slightly wipe the pan with oil. Then we have to pour at least 3 tablespoons of the butter into the pan. The pan should be at low heat only. Just swirl the pan so that you can evenly distribute all the butter all over the pan. And when it's done, you just have to flip it into a plate, just like that. Okay? Then we'll just do the same for the rest of the ingredients. We will be making a rectangular crepes because we'll be making a crepes mango, and the best crepes is rectangular in shape. And we just have to put wax paper in between 2 crepes when we keep it. We just cover it and then place it in the refrigerator for future use. Okay, just like that. So guys, our crepes batter is done and we already prepared the crepes. Well, by the way, I prepare a rectangular crepes, unlike the round one that is usually made. Now we will start with our mango sauce. We will prepare our mango sauce because we will use it later. And our ingredients for our mango sauce are 1 cup mango puree, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon butter. First, we will have to caramelize our sugar. And then we will put our mango puree and cornstarch in a bowl and stir it until it's well mixed. Just like this. You just have to stir it. Okay, there you are. Now butter. Then we do it. So we now have our thick mango sauce that we will use in our mango crepes. Okay. We'll just set this aside to use later to our mango crepes. Well, now that we have made the mango sauce, we will now make the filling for our crepes. So we'll be making a pastry cream or a custard cream. The ingredients are 1/3 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 pinch salt, 1 tablespoon Crepes Batter, 1/4 cup whipped cream. Okay, to start, we need boiling water, then a mixing bowl, and then we just have to put everything in a bowl. The milk, cornstarch, sugar, the vanilla, and a yolk, and then a pinch of salt. Then we just have to stir it until it is thick. After about 3 minutes, it's starting to get thick. Okay, now that it's thick, we will add butter. You just have to cook it on the double boiler, and then when it's thick, just have to wait for it to cool. And then when it's cool enough, we will add the cream. After 1 hour, okay, now we just have to pour our 1/4 cup of whipped cream. There it goes. Our pastry cream. We're done. We'll just transfer this in another container, and then we'll keep it inside the refrigerator to be used later. Now that we have made the crepes, the mango sauce, and the filling for our crepes, we will now start to assemble our crepes mango. Of course, we have slices of mangoes. To assemble the crepes mango, first we will place the rectangular crepes, and then we'll spread some filling of pastry cream on top, like that. And then we'll arrange mango. Okay, and then roll it securely but a little bit tight. Then we'll just have to do the same to all of the crepes, just like that. Okay. Okay, to start, we just have to cut our rolled crepes into half, a little bit slanting, just like this, yes. And then we'll just have to set this aside, okay. Okay, now we'll just have to pour some sauce in the plate and just swirl it to form a mirror of sauce, just like just in the inside portion of the plate. Okay, and then a little bit more, and then arrange our sliced rolled crepes with mango like that, and then we'll be piping a whipped cream, okay, and top with something red, it's red kaong, and then we'll pour some chocolate sauce on top, okay, and then we'll be spreading some nuts on top of the mixture. So guys, our crepes mango, okay, ready to serve. So guys, that is my version of crepes mango. I believe that I have shown you very clearly on how I'm making it. By the way, for purpose of variation, you may add ice cream, barquillos, and maybe strawberry syrup, aside from the chocolate syrup that I add, to make it more colorful. So that in your plate, there is the height, there is the shape, and there is the color, which is the basic requirement in plating. And should you want to make an appetizer crepes or savory crepes, just omit the vanilla. And you may add, for color purposes, maybe any chopped green. It could be parsley, malunggay, or any green that's available in your refrigerator. So, first timers, it is now the time for you to subscribe. You may subscribe now, and you may also click the like button and also the bell button for purpose of notification, so that you'll be notified in my next uploading of videos. And don't forget to comment. So, thank you for watching. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.